Welcome to Digilock's Advanced Management, an in-depth and comprehensive solution for managing your Digilock system. The Advanced Management Advantage is for larger facilities that have an increased need for easy management with expedited programming, or those requiring a history of access. Not only can you manage your facility's locks and lockers with Digilock's advanced application, but in the event of important items reported missing, generate an audit trail to provide a history of when the lock was opened and by whom. With hospitals and pharmacies, sensitive and potentially dangerous medication must be kept controlled. Audit trail functionality gives you an extra level of compliance with the ability to track the unit's history of access should anything go missing. Hotels and fitness facilities also benefit from this feature, being able to assist in finding lost or potentially stolen items. For larger installations, the Digilock Advanced application offers tremendous convenience and increased productivity. Manage users, credentials, and access with one simple app. With this intelligent programming key in their pocket, your administrators can help keep your staff and business moving. Whichever management functionality you choose, you'll enjoy the confidence that Digilock is keeping your facility, your users, and their important items safe and sound.